Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the FinTech Jack YouTube channel. I am going to be starting a new channel about crypto mining, about finance, DeFi and so on. I hope you'll enjoy it. Leave comments for me down below, tell me what you want to see, and let's get this ball rolling. First off, I will start my mining farm this year. For the first time, I've been mining on and off with my gaming computer, but now I'm have decided to take the next step and get into mining. But as you might all know, it's really difficult to get hardware, and if you do get hardware, it's really expensive. So it's going to be a slow process, I think, and for now I have managed to get my hands on a ZOTAC GeForce RTX 2060. We're going to do a quick unboxing today, and then I'll once the next pieces to the mining rig get here, I will start showing the other pieces, the other hardware, and the build process. So without further ado, this is the box. Looks nice. Let's see here the specs on the back. Hope you guys can see that. All right, let me see if it's. This is the box it came in. In here we have envelope and graphics card. Get this out of the way. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, quick installation guide. A driver's information, and then some more information about ZOTAC hardware. I'm located in Europe right now, and through my next videos I will also show you. If you guys thought that in the US you have it bad with prices for graphics cards and everything, I will show you what it is like in Europe. All right. Very nice. Okay. It's bent a little bit here. I'll fix that. This is the back. And let's do this. Peel this off. Very nice. All right. Very good. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a like. It will help with the YouTube algorithm, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks. Have a great one.